Hey guys, welcome to Secret Sauce channel. This is Crystal, and today we'll be making one of my favorite dishes, which is shrimp al ajillo, or also known as garlic shrimp. So let's get to cooking. So now that I have you guys' attention with the little snip that I just showed you, why don't you like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay tuned for the next video. So at this point, we're now going to want to put our stove to medium-low. We're now going to also add in some olive oil. Now, in addition to our olive oil, we're also going to add in some butter. Now, I put in butter because I do like the flavor that butter gives, that buttery flavor. However, if you only like to cook with the olive oil, you definitely have the option of doing that. So we're just going to want to let both our olive oil and butter mix to heat up to add in some of our ingredients. So we're now going to want to add our ingredients such as our garlic. We're going to want to let it cook for a bit to release those beautiful aromas. Next, we're going to add in our shrimp. Now, shrimp does cook up very fast. So as soon as you see the tails bright red and the flesh pink, that's how you know they're ready to eat. About a good 4 to 5 minutes. So everything that touches the pan, you're going to always want to season. So now I'm putting in some paprika, salt, and pepper as well. We're going to want to stir everything to make sure that everything is nicely coated. So next we're going to want to add in some white wine. And you see I left some for your girl. A girl got a drink. Now if you can only smell this, it smells so good when the wine hits it. Now we're almost done cooking this up. We're going to now add in one last thing, and that would now be parsley. Parsley adds in some nice color, and as well it adds in really good flavor. And we're done. So if you are seeing this, then that means you've watched the whole recipe video, in which I thank you so much for. As you can see, it was very simple, effortless, but yet it is so tasty. As I forgot to mention, with this shrimp, you can do anything as a side for it. Can go good with just slicing up some French bread and toasting it, or maybe making a bed of rice and putting it on top. Very simple. I'm going to side it with mofongo, in which you should definitely stay tuned for. That'll be my next video. So just so I can keep you guys in the loop a little more, I am going to now be posting recipe videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So subscribe and press that bell button so you can always get a notification once I do post a video. I hope you guys are here to stay because we'll be having a lot of fun. Again, my purpose for making these videos is to make easy recipes that anyone can do to have tasty food. So again, thank you so much for watching, and let's have fun.